follows.
Their land also is full of idols. They worship the work of their own hands, that which their own fingers have made.
Their land also is full of idols. The worship their own hand, that which their own finger have made. Practically, almost all Christians in the Philippines practice idolatry. It resulted to what one writer said that the Philippines is the only Christian country throughout Asia. By intellectual examination, it is easy to understand that Christians who practice idolatry in the Philippines indicates a statement of what was written in Isaiah. Let us suppose that nothing is done in the whole world in connection with idolatry. Setting it back to the passages of Isaiah, nothing can be applied for in order to locate the hidden land of Jacob. So the ideology of the Filipinos in idol eliminated idea of locating the hidden Israel. And by this reason, I am not afraid nor ashamed to tell the world that the Philippines fulfilled the prophecy in the Holy Bible.